Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this schoolgirl uniform outfit on Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to go to VIP and I'm going to grab this shirt in white. Then I'm going to grab this cardigan. You can color it to whatever color you want. Maybe like this gray color is cute. I am going to adjust this first though because it's really annoying me right now. Okay, there we go. I'm going to then grab this tie and I'm going to color black, but you can color it to whatever color that you like. I was about to adjust this, but I'm gonna just leave it. Then I'm going to grab a skirt. You can grab any skirt you want, and I'm just going to color it black. Again, you can color it to whatever color you desire. I'm going to grab this and color it black. And I am also going to grab the, oh my gosh, where are the Mary Janes? Okay, it's here. Color black as well. And you can also grab some glasses if you'd like. Make it super cute. Oh, there's a type 2 now. I don't know the difference, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.